Imagine inspecting every single product on your line, not a sample, every unit, at full production speed, with no fatigue, no coffee breaks, and no variation between inspectors. That is what AI-driven quality control makes possible. Here is how it works in practice. A camera mounted above a conveyor captures an image of each unit as it passes. In about 200 milliseconds, a trained model compares that image against everything it learned from thousands of previously labeled examples and makes a call. Pass, fail, or escalate. Say you make machined brackets at 1,200 units an hour. A vision model trained on 18,000 images can flag surface defects, dimensional deviations, and even early tool wear patterns, diverting only the borderline cases to a human for confirmation. Escapes drop, chargebacks shrink, and every inspection becomes a data point you can trend. AI does not replace quality expertise, it scales it.